Where are you going now?
We don't know.
Okay, let's go.
Where?
Hmm?
Where?
Discount supermarket.
Where?
Do you know where is discount supermarket?
No.
I don't know.
Is it the supermarket we always go?
No, that is another. That is the supermarket.
Is it the one near to my school?
Yes.
The old school, the new school. I always go there to buy the ice cream, but mommy don't have money to buy the ice cream. The ice, the kiwi ice cream and the chocolate bar.
That is called the Sandri. Sandi. That supermarket where you buy on the way to your school. The supermarket where you buy the. What are you doing? Where you buy the ice cream. That supermarket name is Sandri. Sandy.
Sandwich?
Sandri.
Oh, sandwich?
No, that name is Sandy.
Wow.
That supermarket name is Sandy.
So
Okay, we have to go straight. Okay.
Yes, I always go straight.
Also, in a way, we got the most. What is this?
Also,
Read
I
this
go-
one. This
Daddy,
is also a restaurant.
Daddy,
You know, this is also a restaurant.
Daddy.
Italian restaurant.
Daddy,
Molto. Oh. What?
Daddy, when I'm going to home, I'm always going this way or this way. If it's heavy raining, also so hot. If it's heavy raining and so hot, we go straight like here.
Where?
It's so hot to go home. And that way is so low.
Where?
This way?
This way?
Down.
That way side the train line.
When do
Just straight to your school. And this is the road.
Daddy,
Hmm?
my biggest fear is darkness.
On your way to school, see the sun. Then that is the what is
I
it?
know because I
Jelly
see it.
pasta.
Daddy, I know because I see everything around me when we are going. Also, there's jelly pasta when we're going.
And this one name is.
This is
It's red light. It's wrong. Why you cross the road? Red light crossing road, bad manner.
One, two,
It's a danger also. This is called Lawson.
This is called Lawson Station, not only Lawson.
What are you doing in Lawson?
Pay the bill. Let's go to pay the bill.
Today we have no bill. And that is what is name of
Oh,
that?
the bill is finished.
Jelly pasta. It's a restaurant.
I know.
Is it a restaurant?
Jelly pasta means pasta with jelly on it.
Name of that restaurant is so many people are sitting inside that restaurant.
It's also
Can
in
you see?
It's also in Italy.
Hmm?
It's also in Italy.
Italy?
Some people are living. India people. Some India people.
Do you have car?
No.
Hmm.
Oh, Daddy, look.
You see? The moon is so bright today.
Oh, why can we not see on the phone?
See? Can you understand?
Are the people living on the moon?
No.
Huh?
No, because there is no oxygen. How can more people live in
Huh?
this also a restaurant? This also a restaurant. But no. Inside it is a big restaurant.
There's a sushi shop also.
Yes.
Sushi.
You like sushi?
I didn't taste sushi. Daddy.
You can't read. Daddy cannot eat. You
Daddy.
cannot also eat.
Daddy.
Daddy can't eat sushi. It is raw.
Daddy!
Uncooked.
Daddy!
Yes.
Daddy!
Yes.
You forgot the Chandran tree?
What?
You forgot Chandra tree, I think.
Chandran 3?
Yes.
Oh. Alright. Who sent Chandran 3?
India.
India?
You forgot they are living in the moon.
No, they are
If they want to see their family, then they will come.
they are only Chandrayaan 3 only what?
But spaceship.
Yes, spaceship. There is no people sitting inside spaceship. Only it is
Daddy, let's
landed at Chandrayaan, moon,
Daddy, the Chandran tree is a
and get the
special.
information.
1, 2, Pakamashu!
Oh, wait! Be careful. The cycle is coming. 2 cycles are coming. Be careful.
Run!
Hey, what is this? It's a Moose burger. That is not the way. We go this way. Yes. Ambulance. What is that? What is this? Tell name of this.
Daddy, I'm going to the medicine shop. This way is the medicine shop. I know.
This is Moose burger. It's a burger shop. Are you silly?
That's a restaurant.
You don't know it's a burger shop?
No, it's a restaurant too.
Yes. It's a burger shop.
And like a restaurant.
Yes, like a restaurant.
And what is this?
Fast food shop. This is the parking.
Where is the parking?
Yeah, it's a parking.
They have-
People who are coming to
With
buy,
car?
yes, to buy a burger or
Daddy,
eat
this
burger
way.
and
Daddy?
sit inside the burger shop.
Daddy,
Yes.
this way gives me
The parking.
nightmares.
Nightmares? Are you afraid? Scared?
Daddy, you know my biggest fear is darkness.
You have fear darkness. Why? Why you are watching nonsense videos in YouTube about the ghosts?
There's no ghost video I'm watching.
Why you are scared?
I'm scared of darkness only.
Why are you scared to the darkness?
Because darkness, the ghost will come.
There is no ghosts really.
Yes, they are.
Yes, why are you thinking about ghosts? Be
So for-
careful.
What?
And now the rainy time, so the snake will come. Came
Daddy,
out today. I saw a snake on the road.
did they kill it?
First time I saw a snake in Japan.
Daddy,
You know, before.
Daddy, did you know? Do you remember there was a scorpion in India?
Hmm?
Did you see the scorpion in India?
Yes, so many scorpion in-
When the girlfriend teacher were coming, then he saw a scorpion, na?
Yes. Na? But yes or no?
Yes or no?
What is na? Why are you talking? I was talking in Oriya. Na?
Daddy, there was a scorpion in the when girlfriend teacher was coming. One time a scorpion was coming and girlfriend teacher.
This is the supermarket. Do you know it's a new supermarket? What name of the supermarket?
We all know this supermarket.
Okay. Do you know what the name
This
of
is the medicine supermarket. I remember.
everything is available here. You can find everything here.
Toys.
Toy is not possible. It's not a baby shop. Is it a baby shop? How can you get the toy?
I want toys.
Toy? Are you baby? Baby want toys. You are kid. You are not a baby. You became big. You are now 6-year-old.
What is a kid?
Its name is Discount Center. What name of this supermarket?
Discount is I know it already.
Okay.
Oh,
it's a
who's
big
that hand? And then who's the man looking like this?
Huh? What?
Who's the man?
He's the owner of the. He's the the founder of this discount center. There are so many branches of discount center. So many shops. Do you know?
1, 2,
He's the
customer
founder.
service.
The man who found to establish this supermarket.
Customer service.
Wait.
I'm going to say. It's a good shop, I think.
How do you need to do so?
One drinks.
What is that? One drinks? Why?
Thirsty.
Thirsty, you take one.
Yay!
Oh, wait. See? What is here?
Also, do you know this ice cream?
Ice cream?
Yes.
No, in night time. Ice cream is bad in it. Having rice, eating ice cream night time is bad. Come here. After some time we'll buy. Come here. It's not time to buy.
This is the honey.
Where the one? Oh, it's only. And this is the medicines.
I know, I'm bandage.
What is bandage?
Oh, so I know this shop. This is the medicine shop.
Okay. Say it.
Bye bye.
Namaste. Namaste किधर बोल?
Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
Bye.
इधर इस टाइम इधर आ गए कहाँ से?
रूम यहीं पे है ना
इधर से?
चलो काम खत्म करके उधर सीधे
कहाँ पे आपका रूम?
जो फैमिली मार्ट है ना यहाँ पे जो आगे जाके
फैमिली मार्ट नहीं है, मिनी स्टॉप ना उसके
Ice cream.
मिस्टर तो सीधा हो गया आगे जाके आपने वो देखा टोयोटा शोरूम
हाँ
फैमिली मार्ट
हाँ
टोयोटा शोरूम के पीछे वाला बिल्डिंग है
उसी में आप रहते हो?
हाँ,
तो इतना शोरूम का पीछे वाला बिल्डिंग डोमोस बिल्डिंग है क्या?
वो फ्लैट है और फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर करके ऐसा फ्लैट है वही फ्लैट बोलते हैं
Someone type of ice cream. Ice cream too.
What do you want? Ice cream or otherwise this water? Which one you like?
Why need ice cream?
You need ice cream?
No. Why? I said why need the ice cream?
Okay, no ice cream. Okay, for water only.
If I want to go again, I'm going to buy that. One, two. Everybody's basket is here. Why?
Huh?
Daddy, you want to drink this one?
Which one?
This one?
What is this? You know what is this? You know this one?
Which one?
Don't touch. It is bad for health.
Wow.
Baby also. There's all type of what is this?
Bread.
No? All type of bread.
What is
You like bread?
Yes. I want to eat a sandwich every day.
Wait. Come here. Tell me what is. यहाँ थोड़ा सस्ता रहता है ना?
जूस का बड़ा सुपर से
सस्ता मिल्क भी ना सस्ता थोड़ा रहता है
यहाँ से नहीं करते शॉपिंग यहाँ से नहीं करते शॉपिंग टाइम
हमारा तो हमारे रेस्टोरेंट के लिए पर्सनली जो होता है नहीं मेरे पास में है ना वो घर के पास और एक ऊपर जाते हैं ना वहाँ सस्ता मिल जाता है सब कुछ यहाँ से सस्ता वहाँ मिलता है
क्या कौन सी जगह
वो जो आप बोल रहे थे जेली पास्ता नाम देखा है ना
जोली पास्ता
वो जेली पास्ता का वो सीधा जाएंगे ना
वो तो हाईवे जगह वो सुपर है
हाँ
ताकि ना वो तो हम डेली जाते हैं
वही वहाँ से हमारा वो घर मेरा भी वहाँ पे था
कहाँ पे
वही जेली पास्ता
Daddy, what is it?
सुपर कांची में
हाँ
कांची में
हाँ
Daddy, what is it?
दो बस बिल्डिंग इसमें आप कुछ उसी में ले रहे हो क्या? देखे, टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट डू
Yogurt.
you got?
I want to eat
Where the
yogurt.
milk? Where the milk?
Milk?
Where the milk? Milk.
Here.
The milk.
And also
You
here.
like this one? You know this one?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
There. You mean this one? What is this?
Is it tasty also?
How about this one? This is said apple.
Hmm?
This is apple flavor.
Yes, it's apple juice.
You,
Different kind of vegetable. Different kind of juice. See?
I think I want juice. I
Huh?
want this one.
Then this one is good for you.
I want this one.
No.
It's apple.
No, you drink this water. It is also good. Aqua water.
Want to put on choose one.
Huh?
I'm going to put water. I'm going to put
Eggs. 10 egg, 278. Egg is now super food. Super. 1 liter or 2 liter water in 100 ml. Where are you? Huh?
I'm in the food section. Where are you?
Which food do you want?
Eh?
You think it is tasty? I think it's not tasty.
Daddy, look.
Do you like that one?
What is this?
The almond milk. Do you like milk?
It's disgusting.
Why?
The almond.
Do you like this one? Do you like this one? I think it is good. It is tasty to drink.
I want
You
that
want?
one.
Which one? I think it's not so good. No, I think it's not good. Only sugar.
It says it's apple. It says it's apple.
It's not good, I think.
Now what one I'm going to drink? There's so many types of drinks. Then I'm going to drink this one.
Are you really thirsty? Really?
Yes. Really, so thirsty.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not.
Oh, this
kidding
is
you.
mango. This is mango.
Do you want this one?
This one.
This one?
Orange.
Orange and apple. No. This one,
one?
grapes and apple. Do you want that one?
I want to do. I want to that one.
Let's take this.
No. I want to juice.
That also juice.
I want to juice like that. So I want.
Like that. You want pineapple?
Wait.
You want
Not-
pineapple?
I'm not asking you. I'm checking what you want.
This is not good. I know. It's not tasty. After you drink little, you throw it. Daddy also.
You don't drink, so.
Yes, daddy drink so too much. For I know the taste. You can take this one, I think.
No, then how can I drink like this today?
You will take home and drink.
No! I'm
You
going
can
to.
take it you drink, home and drink.
I say I'm going to choose. Means I'm going to choose. So maybe the big one. Maybe I'll consider.
Big one is good. Big one is good.
small fruit one, like this one is bad,
Yes.
and this one is good, and
Yes.
this one. The
Yes,
big
yes.
one is good, and the small one is bad.
Yes, big one is big quantity.
Daddy, I want to choose this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mango. I don't like tomato juice. This
Tomato juice is not good.